Alrighty guys, welcome to another episode of Donkey Kong Country 2 for the Super Nintendo Entertainment System. So, in the last episode, oh boy, we had let's just say we had a time. That's for damn sure. We indeed had a time. And now we're moving on to this just wonderful wonderland that I'm sure is great start. I'm sure it's just going to be all kinds of wonderful. Yeah, I apologize for this episode taking so long to get made. The simple solution or the simple answer is I low-key didn't want to play this game. And I low-key don't. But you know what? But you know what? We're going to be playing a really fun and cool game after this that I'm very excited to play. So definitely stay tuned for that. Y'all will still obviously be getting like Sonic after the sequel and of course eventually Donkey Kong Country 3, but kind of want to do something a little different. I definitely think this game will be fun, it'll be cool, something different. Kind of the housekeeping, just go ahead and get that out of the way. Today, only Donkey Kong because, okay, this video is probably going to take a lot out of me, and also Eli is actually coming over in just a few hours for another recording session. We are going to be recording roughly half of my next co-op series, which is going to be Super Mario 64 co-op, and we're going to be cracking down on Eli's next co-op playthrough, which I still can't talk about because the finale of Edge of Time has not come out. It'll most likely be out tomorrow. It just really depends on whenever I get the video edited and queued for Eli. Tomorrow, so because of that, tomorrow, all that'll be coming out is Smash Brothers. And I'm not going to motherfucker, dude. I'm not going to make any commitments as to what's coming out Sunday. It may just be Smash Sunday also. But I'm not 100% sure because I'm taking my girlfriend out of town for a little bit Sunday, so I have no idea what time that's going to be. Okay, that level was not bad at all. But if anything, I hope to get another episode of Mario Galaxy out also. But if not, Smash Brothers, that's definitely that'll at least come out on Sunday. Oh fuck. What the hell? Oh yeah, hold on, let me yeah, let's not forget that, please. Okay, this is fucking freaky. But y'all doing alright today? Happy Friday, man. Happy fucking Friday. It is really funny because this video is actually being recorded on Friday. I was supposed to record this last night, but good God, I just did not have it in me to fucking do it. Just did not want to fucking play this game yesterday. And look, I know I was really hard on this game last episode. It was just a rough episode. This game is obviously really fun and really good. It's just, man, this game can be a fucking pain in the ass. This game is way more difficult than the first one. Definitely. This game is definitely way more difficult than DKC 1. Ah, shit. Okay. That's alright. That's alright. That's alright. That's alright. Woo! Okay. Yes, please. Oh, fuck! Okay. But yeah, only 2 more episodes left of Star Wars, by the way. And then obviously after that we will be getting on to Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets for PlayStation 1. Okay, yeah, it's gonna fucking get Diddy, that's alright. Wonderful. Okay. This is the biggest reason why I said no to the death counter. Cause man, I am not trying to fucking update this shit like every fucking like 5 seconds, man. That shit would take a fucking long time. Fuck. It's okay. It's okay. Yep. It's okay. Oh. Okay. It's alright. Oh my god, man. Ooh. What the hell? Where's he at? Is he glitched out? Man. Hey, not bad. Not bad at all. Alright, so far this world hasn't been as bad. Alright. Oh, hell yeah, we got another life. Okay, so far this world hasn't been that bad. But oh boy, we'll see. This fucking music. Oh my god, what the fuck? Okay. Man, dude, it's like I really don't want like every episode to turn into fucking David Wise Glaze, but like he is genuinely like one of my favorite video game composers. Like he's up there with like Grant Kirkhope and Koji Kondo and all them boys. Don't we love wind gimmicks? Love them so much. Hold on. Okay. Like, is it only at certain parts? Is it on a timer? Like, that was fucking stupid. Okay. Oh shit. That's actually kind of fitting, because literally, not even joking, when that wind gust happened in the game, a very powerful wind gust just swept by my house. That's pretty funny. Cause yeah, we had a really bad storm last night. Like it was raining, but man, I slept like a fucking baby. It's like legit, man. What? I could have got my mystical snake. Can I? Okay. Okay. Whoa! What the fuck? Shit. What the fuck? Okay. Oh shit. Oh fuck. No, bitch. Yes, bitch. Holy, what the fuck? Bruh! Okay. Oh, bitch. Yeah, definitely, as with most levels in this game, yeah, definitely need to be, rocking with the dicks. It's one of my favorite lines. One of my favorite lines in Donkey Kong Country show, "Hey dicks." It's like genuinely, there's really not much incentive to play as Diddy. Like even in Donkey Kong Country 1, like Diddy was like usually like the preferred choice. But like even then, there were still a lot of sections where DK was actually like you could actually justify playing as DK instead. Like for example, motherfucker, the minecart levels, because of DK's bigger hitbox, it's easier to hit the minecarts. And the first level in the last world where like you had to get like the batteries and shit, Donkey Kong was actually better for that level because, like I said, with the bigger hitbox, it was easier to get them. But in this game, there's really no reason not to play as Diddy or to play as Dixie, because they both pretty much have the same fucking hitbox. I think Dixie's might be slightly bigger, I think, but like genuinely have not been able to tell the difference like at all. Okay. I don't know what the fuck that noise was. Oh, did OBS fuck out on me? Nope. Okay. Bruh. Alright, let me... Well... Now... Holy fuck! Woo! That's what I'm fucking talking about. Alright. Oh, man. Oh my god. What the fuck? Oh, okay. Yeah, no, fuck that bitch. It's probably, I would assume that's probably the speedrun strat. Okay. Yeah, so you can press X to on my Super Nintendo controller to eject. Okay. And also he cannot shoot anything, so won't be running into that conundrum again. Again, I feel like such a fucking idiot because that one was on me. Like I'm man enough to admit that that one was on me. That I'm just a fucking idiot. I mean, other than that world was still, really really aggravating. Also, hold on, let me change my LED on my microphone. Yeah, let's rock a green. I'm feeling green. I was gonna do red because playing Nintendo, but I don't know. I'm honestly feeling this green. Green's looking pretty nice. Shout out to the fucking Fi-Fine, man. Hey, sponsorship? Like, I do 100% plan to buy more of your products, Fi-Fine. Y'all are really, really good. In fact, Eli's bringing his Fi-Fine over so we can have some super crisp audio. I mean, like, seriously though, for 45 bucks, like, you cannot beat this mic. Like, $45 is a fucking steal, like, genuinely, for this quality microphone. Like, I really, unless we somehow like hit like 1 million fucking subscribers, like, I really don't see myself needing to upgrade. But I mean, hitting 1 million subscribers would be nice, but like, genuinely, like, I mean this like seriously though. Like, I low-key don't really want to hit 1 million subscribers. Like, it would be so fucking cool, and obviously I would be like eternally grateful, but my mindset is I really, really love the sense of community that we have. Like, if I can just like what the fuck? Okay. If I can just like average like 60, 70, like 100 views a video, like roughly like in like the low hundreds, and like getting like consistent like comments and stuff, that's perfect for me. Like, if I can just like hit like 1,000 subscribers maybe, and like I said, getting like a few hundred views and like 50, 60, 70 comments, like a video, that that's perfect for me. That's what I really want. I really love the sense of community that we have on this channel. Like, and you know, since I've returned within the month, we've gained like 10 subscribers from like collab videos, the traditional videos. Also, thank you guys so much for the support on Sonic Dimensions video. Like, truly crazy stuff. It's now the second most viewed video on my channel behind the first episode of Harry Potter. I think it turned out really good. I will 100% be playing the full release of Sonic Dimensions when it comes out. So thank you guys. And we gained like a good number of subscribers from that video. And like it's awesome, dude. Like, okay, dude. Okay, see there, man. Fuck this. Like that's really what I want, man. Like again, like I am like just so thankful and so grateful for everyone that decides to hit the subscribe button. But like real talk, like I don't want to become like Markiplier or anything like that, because I really and Markiplier himself has even spoke about that. Like I love the sense of community that we have on this channel with just 74 subscribers now, which is 74 more than I thought I was going to have, by the way. And like when I get a comment or somebody likes my video that isn't me or Eli, and like people are reaching out, interacting with the content, like that shit means the fucking world to me, y'all. Like genuinely, like I'm not even speaking just out of the textbook YouTuber thing, but like it genuinely, oh my god. Yeah, you see, that's how much I love y'all. I'm playing this fuck ass game. Like genuinely, from the bottom of my heart, it means the world. Like all the support that we've been getting for the past few months. Like 74 subscribers, like almost 100 hours watch time just this month. Just in the month that I've been back, we've got like 80 hours worth of watch time, like over like 2,000 views, like gained like 10 subscribers, like all around just fucking awesome stuff. And cannot express how grateful I am for all that. Like genuinely, guys, like y'all are fucking awesome, and I love you guys, and I always will. Oh, no. All right, Webb Woods. All right, let's do it. What in the fuck? Okay. Shout out David Wise. David Wise is still alive, right? Fucking. I'm genuine. I'm about to check this shit right now. I need to know if this motherfucker's still alive. Hold on. Yeah, he's still alive. 58 years old. Man. I hope to God I get to meet that man. I met Grant Kirkhope. Like I've said it a couple times. But like I met Grant Kirkhope at a gaming convention here in South Carolina, which was so weird, so crazy that he decided to come to fucking South Carolina of all states. Like, hey, what the hell? Okay. My dude wearing J's? What the fuck? Bro, he tripped the fuck out. Shit. How the? Oh, okay. Bruh. Okay. fuck? Wait, what? Huh? So wait, hold on. Oh. Okay. Yeah, webbing me up, bitch. How in the fuck? Okay, there we go. Oh, okay. That was just a tad fucking stupid. Yeah, no, that signed copy of Donkey Kong 64 by Grant, it's one of my prized possessions. And like I told the story in a video, but it was a con called Southeast Game Exchange in Greenville, South Carolina, which is not where I live, by the way. Don't try looking around. It's not where I live. I want to live in Greenville. That's where I do hope to live in the future, but it's not where I live at the moment. But anyway, yeah, Southeast Game Exchange. Grant was there, and I didn't bring anything for him to sign. I thought about bringing my I have like the I don't really know what you call them, but like the boxed Funkos, like with the kind of like glass container. Like I have a banjo one. I was thinking about bringing that for him to sign because like Banjo Kazooie is one of my favorite soundtracks of all time. But I don't know. I decided against it. It's a lot of money, and I didn't really have it. So I was just gonna go meet the man, like meet the man behind some of my favorite video game music of all time. And this random dude, I was standing in front of him. I decided to strike up some conversation. He was the next guy in line to meet Grant. I was right behind him. I just randomly decided to strike up a conversation with him, and I was like talking. Like I remember like listening to like TikTok Clock back when I was like 3 or 4 years old, and just like being like wowed about like about Grant's music, and it just getting to meet him was so awesome. And then he asked me what I had to sign, what I had for him to sign. I said I don't really have anything. I don't really have the money. And he was like, well, like, how about this? I'll get my copy of Donkey Kong 64 signed, and I'll let you have it. And I was like, I was just like over the moon, like out of this world, fucking ecstatic. Like random dude. Like I have to stress that random ass dude for some kid that he's never fucking met. What? Hold on. All right. Hold on. Story on hold. What the fuck is going on? Okay. Okay. I get it. Okay. I gotta click it again. Okay. Okay. I get it now. I get it now. All right. So right trigger and then click. Yeah. Okay. I get it now. I get it now. Okay. Anyway, back to the story. So yeah, went, got it signed, handed it to me, and I didn't see him for the rest of the fucking con. And like the thing is, he lives in Augusta, Georgia, which is like 2.5 hours away from me, and I'll likely never see him again. And like just the fact, like I said, he had never met me before. He's likely to never meet me again. He just decided to randomly, probably he's had that shit probably since childhood. He decided to pay for it and give it to me. Like that shit fucking that was super tender, man. Like it meant the fucking world to me. So man, if you're out there, some fucking where, just know, man, you made me very happy. Okay, all right. Fuck. See there is still good in this world. Yeah, please. There we go. Oh shit. Okay. Fuck. Fuck! No! Damn it! No! Do all that shit again. Oh man. Well, can't win them all. I still gotta play that. Fuck. I will say though, like genuinely though, this world hasn't been nearly as Ebola as the last world. Last world sucked. And I think maybe a part of it was the fact that I hadn't played Donkey Kong in a while. Like, maybe that was a part of it. But man, last world was bad. Good God almighty, dude. This is an annoying ass gimmick too. Alright, there we go. What the fuck? The hell? What do you mean? Okay. Game's fault, not mine. Nothing's ever my Nothing's ever my fault, damn it. So like, what the fuck? Damn it, man. This do be la la bullshit, as they say in Ratatouille. La bullshit. Yow. Alright. Fuck. Oh, of course. I knew that bullshit was gonna happen, dude. I fucking knew it. Bruh. I am playing as a spider with J's, and you want me to fucking... A motherfucker went to Foot Locker last night, got some damn Jordans. Like, what the hell do you want me to do with this shit? Okay. Okay, I don't know what the hell I did there, but... don't really know what my fuck me. What I should have been fucking doing since the damn beginning. What the hell? What the fuck? Why didn't it come out? Not gonna make that. Yeah. No. So why did I do it? I don't know. I thought it'd be funny. Please, for the love of fuck. Okay. My God, dude. Oh, holy fuck. Damn. What the hell? All right. We're at the boss. What the hell? What the fuck? Bruh. Uh-oh. The hell am I supposed to do, man? Oh, fuck. I'm probably gonna cut that out. Okay. Go on, bitch. Okay. That's not bad. Oh. Okay. What the fuck? Okay. Not bad. Dude. I'm just, yeah. Okay. There we go. Holy shit. Uh-oh. Ah. I'm gonna join the fucking pro gamer union. What compelled me to say that? I don't know. Can I? Okay, I can jump on these motherfuckers. It's just fucking easier to damn. Okay. It's just fucking easier to spin into them. Alright, come on. Bro. Alright. Bro, what the fuck? This is fucking bullshit. Shit. Dude. How am I supposed... Motherfucker. Shit. Will you fucking jump? The input delay is wild. That's a fucking... Let's go ahead and reload, buddy. Don't even waste our time. I swear to God. There are just so many fucking enemies, dude. Like, I don't know what you want me to do. You know what? We ain't reloading. Get your ass down here. Okay. You please. Get down here, bitch. Please tell me that's it. Okay. Hell yes. Man, that monkey can jam, bro. Alright, that wasn't... King K... Wait, what? K. Rool's Keep. That ain't it. Well, guys, that is it. Oh, let me fucking... How many worlds are in Donkey Kong Country 2? In Dogtown Country 2. Yeah, there are 8 main worlds, yeah. Okay. Well, actually, it's technically 7. I guess this is actually the next episode to be the penultimate. Look at there, guys. Holy shit. I guess I'll probably be announcing the next playthrough. Fuck it, I'm just gonna go ahead and say we're gonna be playing Metroid Prime after we beat this game. That's gonna be what we play next. After we beat this game, we're gonna be playing through Metroid Prime. So very, very much looking forward to that. So yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, maybe consider checking out the entire series, which you can find in the description down below. Also, maybe consider checking out my other ongoing playthroughs, which will be popping up on the screen. Be on the lookout tomorrow for the next episode of my Super Smash Bros. Brawl co-op playthrough. And if you enjoyed, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe. It helps out a ton. Love you guys so much, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Take it easy, everyone.